How to remove all characters after a specific character in Python. I have a string. How do I remove all text after a certain character? In this case ... The text after will ... change, so that's why I want to remove all characters after a certain one.
Split on your separator at most once, and take the first piece. You didn't say what should happen if the separator isn't present. Both this and Alex's solution will return the entire string in that case.
Assuming your separator is dot, but it can be any string. If the separator is not found, head will contain all of the original string. The partition function was added in Python 2.5. s.partition sep, greater than, head, sep, tail searches for the separator sep in S, and returns the part before it, the separator itself, and the part after it. If the separator is not found, returns S and two empty strings.
If you want to remove everything after the last occurrence of separator in a string, I find this works well. Join string underscore to underscore split dot split, -1. For example, if string underscore to underscore split is a path like root/location/child/2 underscore far.exe and you only want the folder path, you can split by, join string underscore to underscore split dot split, column -1, and you'll get root/location/child.
Without a regular expression, which I assume is what you want. Or, with a regular expression.
Output, this is a test.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.